Hi, I'm Tom Evans, and this is That Stuff. Today's video, we got a new car. I picked it up because my old car had broken, but the state this car was in, oh my god. So here's the before and after. What the fuck? This is a before and after of trying to clean this dirty old car. He was one dirty, dirty old man, Graham. Oh, look at all this shit. Ugh. Tried cleaning it myself and yeah, no luck. As you can see from bits and pieces, it's a state. So I'm going to take it to a valet and hopefully they'll do a better job. So just got the car valeted and this is what it's come out at. Look at that boot compared to before. Oh, lovely. It's quite nice. Look at the back. A few scuff marks, but what to expect? It was a dirty, dirty car. And then the front, as everyone remembers. Look at the difference. Oh, and the smell. It's just everything. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.